And hello sneakers. We've been on a journey for these right here. Hey, what's good, fam? Today we in the living room with it, you feel me? We about to try to get these Jordan 3s reimagined, because y'all know that this is a sneaker I've been talking about since forever ever. Low key, we didn't have luck on the sneakers app, so I'm on a journey to try and get these shits. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, and stick around, because we're gonna get these shits by the end of this video one way or the other. Either I'm gonna get these shits for retail going to the mall, or I'm gonna pay resale and we still gonna get these bitches. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, and watch to the end of this video. But let's get it. So we've been calling around to malls and everything around me and shit, and low-key the only store that said I could go try to pick some shit up after 5 is JD Sports, bro. Every other place was just on some bullshit. So I'm gonna decide to pull up now, see if they got my size, and if they don't have my size, I'm gonna see if I could still pick it up. Hopefully go to one of the resale stores in my mall and try to exchange it, even if I gotta pay a little extra. If y'all saw my live the morning of the Jordan 3 release, low-key I was trying to see if I could pull up on this dude, pay resale, and just try to get the sneakers for y'all vlog style, but homie flaked on me, so it's some bullshit. But I'm gonna end up hitting up the mall right now. Hopefully we could cop. If not, bro, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm gonna have to pay resale for these shits or something like that. But right now we about to drive to the mall. Let's see what we could do. Yo, I'm the type of person that carries all cash. Like, I always have my shit in dollars, bro. Like, don't try to have my money on cards because I'll end up spending it faster. So I'm driving to the mall and I'm like, bro, what if I forgot my fucking money at the crib? Like, shit. So I check my wallet and that shit's there. So we good. False alarm, bro. I started tripping for like 2 seconds. All right, y'all. So we pulled up. I'm about to step in there. If they don't got my kicks, I'm gonna be sick. I'm not gonna lie, because I gotta pay resale and I ain't trying to do all that. So let's see. Bro, so I'm gonna keep it a bean. I walked into the mall, I went to Champs, I went to Foot Locker, and I went to JD, bro. JD was sold out. Champs, they said to pull up in the morning tomorrow. That's when they gonna put the pairs out. So first thing in the morning, I'm in this bitch. Then Foot Locker, yeah, they were like, nah, we sold out and shit. I'm like, bro, come on, son. Y'all, you know, y'all got some pairs in the back. Like, don't even do that. Cause at the end of the day, Foot Locker's like a cross from a resale store. You know they be passing that shit through the back. Like, yo, $50 on top, y'all could get that shit easy, bro. Like, nah. So I'm gonna pull up first thing in the morning, bro. They not gonna play me because I need these bitches. If I don't get them tomorrow, son, I'm gonna have to pull up on one of these stores. I checked the resale store for $50, bro. Like, damn, it ain't that serious. Y'all taxing, y'all really taxing. So I'm gonna need to figure my shit out, crunch my numbers, and if anything, I'm gonna have to order them, bro. It's a L. I wanted to really have this vlog for y'all, but ain't shit I could do. So I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Got the S logo hat, boom, blanks, Supreme TNF, black Taylor pants, then I threw on the CDGs on the feet. So yesterday I saw me pull up to the mall. I couldn't get no kicks, but they said go today and they might have something for me. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm about to go see if Champs has the kicks. Hopefully they do, because if they don't, then I'm gonna have to pay 100 on top, bro. It just is what it is at this point. Hopefully we could get them though. I'm gonna take y'all with me on this journey. Leave a like if y'all watching so far and let me know if you enjoy this style content. I feel like if I don't get them, I might still post this, or I might post this video once I actually secure the heat. It's low-key dead in the mall right now, but I'm about to pull up. Hopefully they got my pair, bro. If they don't, y'all already know I'm gonna have to pay that price. Low-key, the store's still fucking closed. Like, bro, what are y'all doing? Chill. What the fuck is this? Listen, bro, I waited at the mall for 2 hours, bro. It's like 12:15, and I ain't get shit, bro. I waited at Champs, and I waited at Foot Locker, and they ain't have shit, bro. All they had was GS size 7 and size 5, so I ended up passing on it. I'm gonna have to bite the bullet, bro. We gonna have to buy them shits on eBay. Like I was telling y'all, bro, I found a couple pairs that I'm considering buying, so I'm on the way to the bank, and I gotta deposit this money so we can secure this pair, because I'm not gonna let this be one of those that I just let die down and I don't end up picking up. So you feel me? We gotta make it do what it do. It's gonna be alright at the end of the day. At least we got some Starbucks, bro, and they ain't put no silica packs on my shit, so we blessed. Another blessed day. Goodbye, money. And hello sneakers. We've been on a journey for these right here. I found this pair that don't look too bad on eBay, so I'm gonna have to pull the trigger, bro. It's only $80, $100 over retail, and it's one of those pairs that I'll know I'll be slapping myself if I don't buy them. Like, I actually need these. I've been talking about them since forever ago, so I'm gonna pull the trigger, you feel me? I don't know if this video is gonna release before they actually come, but I'm about to press that buy button, bro. Right now I'm trying to bargain a little bit, you feel me? Homie got them for $315 plus 15 shipping. I'm like, bro, let me get them for $305. Then he's like, nah, bro, do $310. I'm like, nah, listen, shit is tight right now. I could do $307. That's my highest. If he meets me at that price, we gonna have to pull the trigger. But honestly, I'm gonna end up buying them regardless. I need this pair. I low-key looked at the pictures and they're looking pretty decent. As y'all know, the quality on these shits is buns. So I would definitely recommend buying them on eBay. That's what I've been doing, at least, because on eBay, you actually get to see the pictures. On StockX, there's none of that, bro. Once they come in, that's when you see the actual sneakers. So that is a plus when it comes to eBay. I've been asking people for more pictures and shit like that as well. Like, I'm not playing with these, bro. I need them to be clean and I need them to be in my collection type shit. So we gonna end up picking them up. That's pretty much all I've been up to today. I got my brown sugar oat milk shaken with white mocha, and we got the Irish sweet cream cold foam in this bitch. No silica for all the people that know. I also did get a croissant, and yo, I'm telling y'all, bro, if you got a Barnes & Noble with the Starbucks inside, the croissant in that bitch be le peri, bro. Like, them shits be slapping. So I'm about to reheat this, finish buying these kicks, and then I'm about to kick it for a little while. This might be a part 1 and 2 of me ordering it and then getting them in hand. I'm gonna have to decide that in a little bit, but yo, I'm about to slap this in the oven real quick. Look at that shit, bro. Stop playing. Listen, bro, I just got out the shower. I hit dude with everything I got. I'm like, yo, $307, I gotta pay my bills, bro. Those $3 are impactful in my life right now. So he didn't kind of understand, you feel me? He stayed firm on the $309.99 plus shipping. I told y'all I was gonna buy them, and that's exactly what we gonna do, bro. I'm not gonna waste no more time. Right here, y'all can see, bam, $309.99. I got him to lower the price, you feel me? That's the least I could do. He at least lowered it $5. Now that I think about it, he ain't lower his shit, bro. But alright, whatever. If y'all still tuned in, make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe down below. It definitely means more than you would understand, especially since we trying to break into the sneaker world on YouTube. So please help me out. I'm trying to shift from the Supreme shit into the sneaker shit, you feel me? So we here doing our due diligence, and it's about that time. I'm about to order these shits right now because I need them, bro. I don't want these to be a pair of sneakers that I just don't end up buying. It can't be one of those situations. So we about to hit this buy now button. $325, bro. That's literally StockX price, but at least I got to see what they looking like, especially with these, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, quality control is looking crazy. I was looking for pairs locally yesterday and it wasn't looking too pretty, bro. $324.95. Order is complete, bro. All we gotta do now is wait for the pair of sneakers, which y'all will see in the part 2 to this video, because honestly, I don't want to wait 3 weeks to drop this shit. So if you guys are excited for that part 2, when the sneakers officially come in, I'm gonna inspect them. We're gonna see if I got B grades or not. Make sure y'all leave a like on this video and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all would like to see on here, bro. I'm trying to switch it up, as y'all could clearly see. Y'all in my living room with me, not in the stew, which is a rare situation, you feel me? We out here trying to innovate, renovate, escape from that shit they trying to do to us. If y'all haven't yet, go on onenori.co and sign up, because my brand Nori is coming real soon, bro. Real soon. We about to hit 100 customers, and I promised y'all, once we hit 150 to 200, I'm gonna make a video showing y'all something and talking about basically the reason why I started my clothing brand. And I'm super excited to make that, but I'm not gonna do it until y'all hit that benchmark that I set for myself. But with all that being said, man, I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Make sure y'all hit your elderly up, hit up your family members that you don't speak to on the regular, because at the end of the day, we're all getting older, and as we get older, they do as well. My fault, y'all. Camera died on me, but like I was saying, bro, make sure you hit your elderly up, because we're all only getting older. And it's kind of crazy because we don't sit down and actually think about it, but the older we get, the older our parents get, the older our grandparents get, and we don't really know how much time we have left with them. So make sure you cherish every day. Make sure you go outside outside, go for a walk, get some sun, bro. That's something that I sometimes lack on, and I'm trying to work on myself, you feel me? I'm not just over here preaching to y'all. I kind of need to work on this shit myself, and I want to document it as I get better with my daily life, if that makes sense. I'm honestly truly excited for this shift that I'm gonna have on the channel. I kind of want to be more transparent with y'all, let y'all in a little bit more, because typically we just talk about Supreme and a little bit of sneakers, but I want to just incorporate everything that goes on a daily basis, and I feel like that's the best way to do it, the best way to build a relationship with y'all. So I appreciate y'all, everyone who's watching till this part in the video, bro. I love you. Thank you guys for always coming through and showing love. This shit is fucking crazy, bro. Like, I got 20,000 people who hit that subscribe button and only growing every day, and I can't be any more grateful, bro. I know that it's only up from here, and we about to keep grinding, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.